To begin, find the control panel on your classroom podium and select the device you'll use from the buttons on the left-hand side. You may need to push the button twice, once to wake up the control panel and again to choose your device. If you'd like to use the classroom PC, select the PC button. Next, locate the power button on the computer in the cabinet to wake up or turn on the machine. If you have a USB thumb drive, this is where you would insert it. Then, turn on the monitor above. Log into your Clark account using your normal username and password. By selecting an input device button, the projector screen will lower, and the projector will begin warming up. If you don't see anything on the screen and the projector is warmed up, check the mute button, which will mute and unmute both sound and video. To use a laptop, connect your machine and select either the laptop button, or, if your computer supports it, select HDMI. To use a PowerPoint presentation, locate your presentation and open it. You may need to click Enable Editing from the top menu. If you're using audio in your lesson, make sure the volume on the computer is turned up and use the volume controls on the panel to adjust the volume. In some classrooms, you can adjust the monitor position and podium height to make yourself more comfortable. The control panel also features a touchscreen with additional controls. If you get stuck, take a look at the touchscreen. Many of Clark's podiums also have a built-in Blu-ray player, webcam, and video input cables. At the end of class, remember to do these 3 things. Shut down the computer, turn off the monitor and projector, and remove any personal devices such as USB drives. Some classroom podiums may look different than the one featured in this video. If you'd like to learn more about the specific technology in your classroom, please visit apps.clarku.edu/classrooms.